Intel unveils major brand update ahead of Meteor Lake launch.
Intel has unveiled a significant update to its client compute branding with the introduction of two new processor brands, Intel Core Ultra and Intel Core. The launch of these brands will start with the upcoming Meteor Lake processors. Meteor Lake represents a milestone in Intel's client processor roadmap. It will be the first processor manufactured on the new Intel 4 process node and will feature a chiplet design enabled by Foveros' advanced 3D packaging technology. This design brings improvements in power efficiency, graphics performance, and includes Intel AI Boost, an AI engine. Key takeaways from the new branding include: moving away from using generations in front of Intel Core brands. Tiering will drop the I at the launch of Intel Core Ultra processors to highlight architectural and design advancements. Both Intel Core Ultra and Intel Core processors support Intel Arc graphics. Transitioning to Intel's 3/5, 7/9 processor tiering, commencing with the release of Intel's upcoming next-generation processors. Advancing the Intel Evo Edition platform brand to encompass Evo-verified designs. Commercial systems that meet the criteria can now use the Intel V Pro Enterprise and Intel V Pro Essentials labels. These changes in branding aim to simplify Intel's brand portfolio and make it easier for customers to identify the right client solutions. The Intel Core brand remains prominent, emphasizing its long-standing presence in the PC industry. Intel stated that the new branding structure aligns with customer requests and offers significant advances in design, manufacturing, and architecture. It clarifies the product strategy by differentiating leadership and mainstream offerings. Starting from the second half of 2023, generational messaging will no longer be used in marketing or silicon in front of the Intel Core brand. Generational information will still be included in the processor number. These changes will apply to all client products moving forward, starting with Meteor Lake. Regarding tiering and naming, starting from the second half of 2023, the I will be dropped from processor tiering on client processors, beginning with Meteor Lake and subsequent products. Core i3, i5, i7, i9 will shift to Core 3/5, 7/9. Brand strings, text, and badges will show changes. The new branding for Intel Core processors, starting with Meteor Lake, includes: mainstream processor brand name, Intel Core processor. Tiering drops I, Intel Core 5 processor. New processor numbering. Preferred. Place the processor number after the word processor. Intel Core 5 processor #XX. Final processor numbering to be determined. The new branding for Intel Core Ultra processors, starting from the second half of 2023, includes: new premium processor brand, Intel Core Ultra processor. Tiering drops I, Intel Core Ultra 7 processor. New processor numbering. Processor number after the word processor. Intel Core Ultra 7 processor #XX. Final processor numbering to be determined. Speaking at the launch, Caitlin Anderson, Intel Vice President and General Manager of Client Computing Group Sales, said, "We are committed to driving innovation and maintaining technology leadership in our client roadmap, exemplified by products like Meteor Lake, which emphasize power efficiency and AI scalability. In line with our product strategies, we are introducing a new branding structure that enables PC buyers to easily distinguish between our cutting-edge technology and mainstream offerings." Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it informative and interesting. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more technology news and updates.